and welcome. My name is Sunshine Amos, the CEO and Project Manager, Sunshine Resources. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make mentholated bathing liquid soap at home. This is also known as shower gel. The active ingredient we're going to be using in this formulation is menthol. And so if you are new to this channel, I suggest you hit the subscription button so that you do not miss any of our videos each time we upload them. Just like I said earlier, in this particular formulation, the active ingredient used is menthol. Menthol is used in cosmetics, soaps and body care products as it can add refreshing minty odor to body care product. Menthol contains local analgesic and anesthetics. This means that menthol has the ability to kill pain on the skin. The use of menthol in bathing and body care product can actually engage the cold sensitive receptors on our skin and provide refreshing cooling sensation. This same cooling sensation can also occur from inhaling menthol as well as ingesting it. This is why menthol is used as one of the active ingredients in toothpaste. Now before we go through the production process proper, let's go through the safety precautions you will take as you do this preparation. Avoid direct contact of soap chemicals with the skin or eyes. Keep all chemicals out of reach of children and do not taste any chemical. Mentholated bathing liquid soap, also known as shower gel, can be made from the following materials. These are nitrosol, STPP, sodium bicarbonate, SLS, chloroxylenol, propylene glycol, glycerin, vitamin E, perfume, color, sodium benzoate, menthol crystals and water. In this formulation, we are making about 10 liters of mentholated bathing liquid soap. Now let's establish the quantity of materials needed. Nitrosol 120 gram, STPP 170 gram, sodium bicarbonate 250 gram, SLS 500 gram, chloroxylenol 40 ml, propylene glycol 50 ml, glycerin 50 ml, vitamin E 30 ml, perfume 20 ml, color 2 tablespoons, sodium benzoate 2 tablespoons, and menthol crystals 2 tablespoons. Total volume of water required 10 liters. Now these are the materials. This is nitrosol, this is STPP, this is sodium bicarbonate, SLS, chloroxylenol, propylene glycol, glycerin, vitamin E, perfume, color, sodium benzoate, menthol crystals and water. Now measure some water into an empty bucket and dissolve the nitrosol in it. Stir the nitrosol mixture very hard to avoid formation of lumps. Now dissolve the STPP in water and add it to the nitrosol solution. STPP here stands for sodium tripolyphosphate. Stir the solution very well. You can now dissolve the sodium bicarbonate in water and add to the soap solution. Now dissolve the SLS in water and add to the solution. SLS here stands for sodium lauryl sulfate. Please note that SLS takes time to dissolve. You must be patient to allow all the particles dissolve before adding it to the soap solution, otherwise it's going to form lumps. Now dissolve the menthol crystals in propylene glycol. Stir the solution for a while. As the menthol crystals dissolve in the propylene glycol, you can add your vitamin E to the soap solution. You can also add glycerin to the soap solution. And chloroselenol. You can also add your perfume. Now you can add your menthol and propylene solution to the soap solution. Now dissolve the color in water and add to the soap solution. You can now dissolve your sodium benzoate and add to the soap solution. Sodium benzoate is acting as preservative. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of this production. We have just produced a mentholated bathing liquid soap, and because of the presence of chlorosilenol in this formulation, this formula can also be called antiseptic bathing soap. So thank you very much for watching, and God bless you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can visit our website on www.sunshineresources.org.ng. You can visit our YouTube channel on youtube.com/c/Sunshine Resources SRTV. You can also follow us on our Facebook page on Sunshine Resources. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.